Idag, we're standing in the kitchen at B-bar, or not in the kitchen, in the bar.
In the bar.
With Jamie and
Louisa.
And we're gonna make a B-bar Abuelaz special called
Abuelaz Apple Punch.
Sounds amazing.
Go.
And this is kind of a Christmas drink,
This
right?
one's a little more kind of, autumny, Christmassy, wintertime drink. And we're going to blend this one actually with the Abuelaz Himalayan salt, and we're going to use Abuelaz vinegar in here as well. Strange sounding combination, I know, but with the ingredients, it works so well. It's such a interesting drink.
Let's do it.
Hey, let's go.
I'm sold.
Rock glass, this time we're going to use one of our bigger ones. For this drink, we're just going to stick with the Xanté Cognac.
Xanté.
So we're going to do 4 centilitres of this. We're going to do 4 centilitres of
Apple
juice. And then on top of that, we just add 4 centilitres of sours as well, which is a mix of lemon, sugar syrup, and egg white. Egg white, 3 centilitres actually will go for this because we want a little bit of a head of this for the cinnamon powder to sit on top of, as well as Himalayan salt. I would take about 3 pinches, depends how big your fingers are, I have quite small hands. So 1, 2, and 3. Then you're going to use the Abuelaz pink vinegar. 1, 2, and 3.
How do you like the bottles? Like the squeeze?
Yeah, really
Easy to
so
use?
easy to use, yeah. And the salt as well, actually I was expecting the salt to be a bit more kind of granulated, a bit kind of bigger chunks. Again with this one, because it does have the egg white in it, you can feel free to use your little kind of whisking machine again, which will just give you a bit more head, which is just what I'm going to do, because we want the cinnamon powder to sit on top of it. Lovely.
So we're excited.
So I've given the drink a little whisk, just to get the kind of, you'll see here how kind of creamy it looks.
Gorgeous.
Ready.
Extra ice.
Extra ice.
Keep it cold and nice.
Cold.
Looks so yummy.
Tasty, tasty.
Tasty,
so this
tasty.
is, Abuelaz Apple Punch, which will be on the menu as well. So we are going to go ahead
And try it out.
try it.
Oh my god, are you kidding me?
You like it?
This is amazing.
And then with the cinnamon on top of it as well, it just helps to kind of
It's lovely.
bring it all together. So
Like I need to make this for everyone for
so it's
Christmas.
a nice